Now let's learn how to build your first workflow automation inside the Zapify.io sub account. So first, go to Automation, click Workflows, and click Create Workflow. You choose Start from Scratch or pick a pre-built template. So, and set your trigger, what starts the workflow, and add actions, what happens next. So you save it as draft, and let's go back to workflows. So you click and save since it is saved, and toggle the workflow to publish to activate it. So this is how you publish to your workflow. Just click publish and that's it. So